It's very, very important for you to shower after a bath because you just basically bathing in your dirt. Like, you got your ass juice, you got your pussy juice, you got your underarms juice, you got your sweat, you got your dirty ass feet that was roaming around everywhere. All that in that bath juice. So if you don't shower after a bath or shower before a bath, you's dirty. You's nasty. You got that fucking itchy pussy. You got that stank ass. You got them fucking stank underarms. You stanky. You need to wash them fucking dust mites off your head. Cause you some dirty shit for real. Like, you gotta make sure that you scrub that shit off. Like, a bath feels so good, for a stress relief and shit like that. But you gotta make sure that you rinse your dirt away. You rinse that shit. Y'all ain't doing